Hi everyone, this is Arpid and welcome to StockWest. So we are ready with the list of stocks that we have shortlisted to take a trade in the next week. But this time the list of stock is very small because the overall market condition seems to be very grim. I think the market has been falling and in current situations also I am seeing a good depth to be tested from here onwards also. Let's first analyze the major benchmark indices of the Indian market first, and then we'll see the list of stocks that we have shortlisted for the next week. So let's move to this screen. All right, so the first one that we have is Nifty. I think the overall index is in very bad shape. The market has fallen for almost 10% now, and I think it has a very good chance that it actually retests this support line now. And based on the price action that it forms around these levels only, then we'll be able to decide what kind of reversal or a further down move that it is going to make. The other one that we can consider is Bank Nifty for our discussion. It is a very simple chart. There is the support line, which is also a psychological level of 50,000 for Bank Nifty. And since it has been tested multiple times here, there are very weak chances for this to sustain here. All right, so the go to the list of stocks that we have shortlisted. The first one that we have is Balkrishna. In Balkrishna, you can see that there have been multiple times that the liquidity has been taken out below this support line. So now the stock is in a very good range to give a rally after this particular big up move. The stock has given a good consolidation, and I think it is ready to give a good rally again. The next one is Honeywell Automation. I've talked about this in the previous video also the last week, and I think this stock also has given a good rally, and after that a very good down move can be considered as a retest of the support line. The stock has taken a liquidity week previous to this week, so I think since the stop loss is not big, you can consider taking a long entry into this. Next one is Lux Industries. Lux Industries also given a very good move. After that, a consolidation happened, and then support line was breached, and then it peers back again. So I think it is a very good time that you can consider this stock as well. After that, Adani Energy Solutions. So after this particular down move that the stock made, if it had to be a distribution, it would have been done in a few weeks or few months, I guess, since the stock has consolidated in a very long time, for a very long time in a big range. The risk to reward ratio is also in your favor. So I think taking a long entry in this makes sense, keeping a stop loss below, a bit below than this particular support that is there. Now talking about the AI engineering simple chart, a bit of liquidity is being squeezed, so you can consider this, although the stock seems to be in a negative territory, but still again the risk to reward ratio is very high in this, so you can take a chance into this. Next one is Campus, a beautiful pattern where multiple times the liquidity was taken. Again, the stock moved into the same range of going long, and big green candles always indicate there have been buyings around these levels, so you can consider taking a long entry in this as well. Imami's chart is somewhat similar to the Honeywell Automation, but only if it hovers around the same level for a period, then only you can consider this, but this is near to a range where a buying can happen in this particular stock. All right, so Electra is a stock which is fundamentally very strong, and after giving such a very good move since 2023, the stock has been in a up move, and after that there was a consolidation for the stock. I think now is a good chance to invest in this stock. I'm not talking about trading in this, but you can take a bet with your investments in this. Now Polyplex Corporation, again a very good fundamental stock, and the stock has been giving a good release, then consolidation. So this time also just wait for I mean, keep this stock on your radar and wait for maybe couple of weeks, and you let the price action be formed around these levels only. I think there are good chances that the stock can give a rally. Next we have is Suntech. Suntech again, I mean, you can consider taking an entry in Suntech just now, or you can wait for a few weeks also, just to see if this stock touches and test this support line. Petronet LNG, I think this has been a star stock of the last year, and now the stock has been consolidating. So I think it is again ready for a good move again. Although I don't trade breakouts, but if you can keep your stop loss way below than your buying levels, somewhere around here, then you can consider going long in this also, keeping the minimum position size. All right, so these are all the stocks that we have to take a trade or consider them as a trading opportunities for the next week. As I said, that the market is in a very grim situation here, and I don't have much of these stocks to talk about. But this is what I have for the next week, and let's see from here, if in a few weeks period, if I see some kind of consolidation around support levels, or if the market dips a little after that also and comes back into the range of buying, then we can consider a lot many other stocks. But as of now, I would limit myself to limited stocks only. So that's all for today. I'll see you in the next week. If your trading strategy or trading ideas align with mine, you can subscribe to my channel so that you can also be updated or get updated with the list of stocks that I present every week. So that's how we can always learn and see some sort of improvement in ourselves with the time. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you in the next week. Bye bye.